Packing for a trip can be stressful, right? What if you forget something important? Or pack too much? Imagine arriving at your dream destination but realizing you left your charger or your travel documents behind. Don't worry. Today, we'll cover the top 10 travel essentials you should always have with you. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or planning your first adventure, this list will help you pack smart and stress-free. Let's get started. First and most obvious, your passport and travel documents. Without these, your trip might end before it begins. Make sure your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your travel dates. Also, keep a copy of your flight tickets, hotel bookings, and travel insurance. Pro tip, take digital copies of everything and email them to yourself. You'll thank yourself later. We've also linked some great travel wallets and document organizers in the description below. Your carry-on bag is your travel lifeline. Choose one that's lightweight, durable, and meets airline size requirements. Pack it with essentials like your wallet, phone, a change of clothes, and anything you can't afford to lose if your checked luggage goes missing. Check the description for our top for carry-on bags that are stylish, durable, and airline approved. Nothing's worse than your phone dying when you need to navigate or check your itinerary. A portable charger keeps your devices powered on the go. If you're traveling internationally, don't forget a universal power adapter. Different countries have different plug types, and you don't want to get stuck without a way to charge. We've linked some high-capacity power banks and universal travel adapters in the description. Most airlines have restrictions on liquid sizes, so pack travel-size toiletries in a clear, resealable bag. Stick to the basics: shampoo, toothpaste, deodorant, and hand sanitizer. If you're traveling light, consider solid options like shampoo bars and soap instead of liquids. Check out the link in the description for a compact toiletry kit that's TSA-approved and perfect for your travels. Long flights or road trips can be uncomfortable, so wear clothes that are soft, breathable, and easy to move in. Layering is key. Airports and airplanes can be chilly, but you don't want to overheat when you land. Add a scarf or a lightweight jacket to stay cozy. Need travel-friendly clothing? We've linked some comfy and stylish options in the description. Accidents happen, even on vacation. A small first aid kit with band-aids, pain relievers, and motion sickness tablets can save the day. If you take prescription medication, pack enough for the entire trip, plus a little extra. Keep it in your carry-on to avoid any issues. You can find a compact first aid kit and travel pill organizers in the description below. Travel delays are unpredictable and hunger can strike at the worst times. Pack snacks like granola bars or trail mix to keep your energy up. A reusable water bottle is a must. You can fill it up after passing security and stay hydrated without buying overpriced drinks. Check the description for our recommended travel-friendly snack packs and collapsible water bottles. Planes, trains, and buses can be noisy, making it hard to relax. Noise-canceling headphones or simple earplugs block out distractions so you can rest or enjoy your music or podcasts. We've linked some top-rated noise-canceling headphones and travel earplugs in the description. Sleep is crucial when you're on the go. A travel pillow supports your neck, while a sleep mask blocks out light for better rest on planes or in unfamiliar accommodations. If you're looking for a comfortable neck pillow or sleep mask, check out the description for our top recommendations. Long trips can feel endless without something to do. Load your e-reader or tablet with books, movies, and games. Don't forget travel guides or apps to help you explore your destination. Packing smart makes your trip smoother and more enjoyable. Which of these essentials do you never travel without? Let us know in the comments. And if you need any of these items, check out the trusted links in our description. It's best deals on travel essentials. With that said, this is Jet Set Journeys. Thanks for watching, and until next time.